Hey guys, welcome to another reading. So let's do an extended reading about what are their late night thoughts about you, what's going on in their mind. Let's see. I trusted you. So there has been some sort of breach of trust, and that is something which is going on in their mind. This could be a small thing. It doesn't necessarily have to be something really expansive or something, but this is also for some of you telling me that this person feels this is the person, this is my person, this is someone I trust, and this is the person I can trust. I can't be with you as the overall energy. So they are thinking that I don't want to be with them. It feels so different. Life feels so different. Life feels so dull, so difficult without this person. I don't want to be with them. I don't want to let you go. They want to hold on to you and to this connection. They feel that they need to work on some sort of stability. For some of you, I feel this person is probably worried about their financial stability, but they don't want to let you go, is what they are thinking. I have too much loose. Like I said, there is something probably with finances or something which this person is worried about. And they are thinking that, I can't be with them, but if I take a step forward, then there is a lot at risk, there is a lot at stake, and I don't know what to do about this. This person is going through your old messages, your pictures, your, whatever they have with them about you. I'm not over you. This person is waiting for you patiently. This person is waiting for things to get better between the two of you patiently. They're not willing to take action. They feel they cannot, take any action right now, but they are like, no, I am not able to get over them. This person probably initially thought that, it's okay, I can move on. I don't care. This is fine. Who cares? But now that the time is passing, nothing is happening, nothing is moving. They feel this is the person I was able to be myself with. I don't even know how to feel anymore. I don't know if they are there with me or not. There is a sense of insecurity that maybe you have moved on. Alright, what else is my viewer's person thinking tonight? Gambling, air signs, and communicate. Intimacy is the overall energy. This person feels that, again, gambling has this dollar signs in it. So something around the money, finances, which is bothering them, their stability, also stability in the connection. Air signs is your Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So for some of you, this could be significant, not necessarily for everyone. But they're thinking of communicating. They are missing you at this point. They are thinking if we can, compromise on something, if there could be some sort of forgiveness, if we could work it out. There is a lot of chemistry they feel with you, with this intimacy energy, where they feel that, I want this person around me. There are thoughts around intimacy with you. Let's see what else is my viewer's person thinking. Open your heart. They feel that they need to open up a little bit. They need to let go of any resentment they may be holding towards you. Because eventually the fact is that they love you. Okay. 2 more cards. Date night. They want to go out with you. They want to wine and dine with you. They are also remembering the times that you both spent together. Maybe you went out on dates, and this is such a beautiful card where, you're sitting on that table and having there are wine glasses. So for some of you, wine could be significant. Pink color could be significant for some of you. It's like a pastel pink is what I'm getting. Pets. So maybe you both have some pets together, or you spoke about animals or having pets together. But this is again about, there are pause here. So there is trust that this person is pause is like, this is a pup's pause is what I get here. So there is something around building the trust between the two of you, and the love, that you would have, that puppy kind of love is what I'm getting here. Love spell. So this person is manifesting you. If you have done some sort of spell work or some manifestation, I feel that is working as well. But this person feels bewitched by you. So that was the reading, guys. Thank you for watching.